Hey there guys and gals. So this is going to be a tutorial on the Vantek International TVS01 headset and how to hook it up to your Xbox One. Now you're probably like, wait, what? Because these definitely look like Bluetooth earbuds. Oh, they are, but they have a receiver. So first of all, what you're going to have to do is you're going to take your receiver. Well, you're definitely going to make sure both the receiver, which is actually this part, and the transmitter are charged, because that's like super important. That's a good step one. Now, as you'll see on the side here, there's an aux SPDIF switch. What you're going to do is set it to SPDIF, which is important, but not at this step, just so you know it's there. On this side, you're going to set it from RX, if it's on that, to TX, because this is going to be your transmitter. And then as you can see on the back, there's 4 ports. There's an aux port, there's an SPDIF in, SPDIF out, and then the charging port. Now you don't have to plug this in directly to the Xbox to charge it. That's not how it works. It doesn't need constant power. It has its own built-in battery. So first of all, what we're going to do, step one, is turn on your transmitter. And to do that, you're just going to hold the VI button till it starts blinking. And then you're going to make sure that your headset's charged. If you need to charge your headset, the charging port is on the right earbuds wire. It's here, it's hidden. So you actually just peel this back. This is harder than it looks with one hand. And you can spin it around if you need to get it out of the way. It is a micro USB, the same as the transmitter. So ignore that for now. It's got 3 buttons on the right string. So you're going to hold the middle button. Now there are voice prompts for this. So it's going to turn on. And now my headset and transmitter are paired. That is step one. That is a very, very important step. It is likely the most important step of all, actually. So what's your next step? You could just ignore all my Skylanders down there. Things are a mess. My bad. As is usual with my room. Anyway, this is the Xbox One X. I had to borrow it again from a friend to make this video, but as you can see, right now, currently plugged in, we have an SPDIF. The SPDIF is also known as a Toslink cable in this case, which is this. It's your optical audio cable. So you're going to plug the one that comes with your TVS01 into the SPDIF slot on the back of your Xbox One. It's in a different spot on the 3 different Xbox One models, but for the X, it's near the top right under the Ethernet port. Unlike the PlayStations, all 3 Xboxes have this SPDIF slot. The PlayStation Slim does not have an SPDIF slot. So you're going to plug it in there, and then the other end, clearly, will go right into your transmitter. Remember that when plugging into the transmitter, you're going to go in the SPDIF in, not the out. You can actually use this to daisy chain multiple items together if you wanted to. That's why there's an in and an out. If you want audio to pass, however, you're definitely going to have to plug your Toslink cable in from the SPDIF out on your Xbox One into the SPDIF in on your transmitter. So again, this is super weird with only one hand each, but we'll do it. If you're looking at the back from the side that you can read things on, the one on the left is your in. Now that all of that is complete, the next task is actually to go on the Xbox and change some settings. So I'll see you guys and gals over there in a second. Alright, now that we're on the Xbox, what we're going to do is you're going to tap the Xbox button to bring up the menu. Don't hold the Xbox button, just tap it to bring up the menu. And you're going to go to the blade all the way on the right, which is System. It has a gear. You're going to go to Settings, and then you're going to come down to Display and Sound, and you want to go to Audio Output. Once you're in Audio Output, you can see speaker audio right now is grayed out. I don't have any of those options because I'm already in headset audio. If you're in stereo uncompressed, alright, bear with me guys and gals. Vantek sent me a second set of updated instructions with how they want their device to be set up after I had already done the recordings, and since it's a borrowed Xbox, I don't have it anymore to do this, so just bear with me on this picture right now. But the official setup for the TVS01 is to come over here to optical audio, which is the second option in speaker audio. And you're going to open that menu, and there's going to be three options: off, stereo uncompressed, and bitstream out. You're going to set it to bitstream out. Then the third option will be bitstream format, and there's going to be two, most likely, DTS digital surround and Dolby digital. There also might be Dolby Atmos, but we can ignore that. Some people have that, some people don't. Ignore that for now. You're going to set your bitstream format to Dolby digital. Headset format, you have three options. You can, if you've purchased Dolby Atmos, you can select Dolby Atmos and it'll work fine. But Dolby Atmos, like I said, you have to purchase it. It's not free. However, you can go to Windows Sonic for headphones, which is what I would probably recommend because Windows Sonic is basically built-in virtual surround sound. It's not the best virtual surround sound, but it's pretty okay. And then you're going to want to make sure that this box is ticked. If you hit that box, then you don't have to worry about anything on the speaker audio side, and it will send the audio through normally. And basically that's how you use these wireless Bluetooth neckband earbuds on your Xbox One. There is one caveat to this. The Xbox One appears to do chat through the USB path like the PlayStation does. So because these are just going through the optical path, it doesn't seem like the mic works. As you can see here, my mic icon is grayed out. I don't seem to be able to use the mic. I was running into a similar thing with this particular headset setup on the PlayStation where you can't select it as an input and therefore it doesn't count as a microphone. I don't know if that's intended, but that's what. If you guys liked what you saw, leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, sub, and I'll see you guys and gals later in the next one.